welcome back to the channel. So now, wow, it's already 1 week and I've done a couple of mistakes, and I would say I already messed up, but more than I expected. And if you follow the journey, welcome. And if you're about to start content creation as well, welcome to the channel and welcome to the journey. I would say these mistakes was going to help you and save you lots of time, lots of overthinking, and lots of hours as well, and lots of, I would say, self-doubt. I would say welcome. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Mohammed. I'm documenting the journey of turning my content, creating content out there, and turn it into a passive income or real income. I would say just a real progress, documenting the lessons and painful lessons as well. Of course, something in between to help you make confident choices. Well, now, mistake number 1 is overthinking instead of creating. Well, now, let me explain. Overthinking instead of creating, I spend hours, okay, lots of hours, planning, tweaking, and even trying to make my first post perfect, okay? I would say I didn't actually post much. Done is better than perfect. You just need to start. I remember I posted a video a year ago, and it was really terrible video. That video hit 10,000. It was just mind-blowing. I couldn't even expect that to happen. Lots of things that happens, you never know, okay? So you stop overthinking and you start creating, okay? If you're about to start, just start, you improve later. And mistake number 2, which I've learned, is chasing trend instead of own voice. Well, I was chasing a lot of trends, okay, instead of my own voice. I was trying to copy what other creators were doing, okay, hoping to get more viewers, subscribers, followers, a lot of things. Then I realized my audience want me, okay, wants my voice, not to copy someone else, okay. Finding your unique style is way more valuable than chasing trends. Remember this, okay? Ignoring my analytics and feedbacks. One thing to understand, that analytics, data, YouTube data, whatever platform that you create content, never lie, okay? Data never lie, because that data tells you how people get engaged with your content, not really watching your content, you know, all of those things. Ignoring the tiny signals from your posts, what people liked, what they skipped. Week 1 taught me to pay attention, even if it feels small, okay? Trying to do everything alone. I thought I could handle editing, posting, learning and marketing, and all myself. Reality check is some tools, advice, and collaboration can save you hours. Don't reinvent, okay, the wheel every single time. Celebrating these small wins, okay? Not celebrating these small wins. That was my huge mistake. I was so focused on what I was doing rather than I didn't notice small victories, like getting my first comment or even finishing the post on time. Celebrating those tiny wins keeps you motivated, especially in the beginning, okay? Or at the beginning, okay? Well, now, week 1 is always the messy one. You're going to make mistakes, stumble, it feels like loss. That's normal, and what matters is that you learn fast and keep going, okay? And every messy step is actually the step forward if you pay attention. And if you're just starting, don't stress about getting it perfect. Follow along, because I'm showing every lesson, win and mistake, and even as I figure it out. And trust me, 1 week, 2 weeks is going to be even crazier. I promise. I'll see you in the next one.